This video is just for education purpose.
Hello traders, good news. Here is $30 no deposit bonus as a welcome bonus for you. This is a very good broker and highly regulated UK based broker. I will show everything, their license and trust scores, user feedbacks and the bonus terms and conditions, how you can claim this bonus and must follow criteria, withdrawal process, everything I am going to discuss in this video. So you have to watch the video till the end, never miss any point. You might lose your bonus or it might arise issue during the withdrawal. If you really want this real bonus from the world leading and high quality, high trusted and regulated broker, please stick to the video till the end. Now let's get started. Here you can see there is a risk warning. Trading financial product on margin currencies, a high degree of risk and is not suitable for all investors. Losses can exceed the initial investment. Please ensure you fully understand the risk and take appropriate care to manage your risk. So you have to understand this. Welcome account. Experience one of the best trading environment in the industry, risk-free with our $30 welcome account. Now I will discuss the must follow terms and conditions. After that we will go through the registration process, then we will claim the bonus. So everything I will explain step by step in this video tutorial. So stick to the video till the end. And this video is not for a financial advice. This is just for a education purpose. So before discussing the no deposit bonus terms and condition, I want to show their broker's details and ratings from Forex Peace Army. You can see broker details. Minimum trade size 0.01, maximum leverage is 1:1000, minimum deposit is $100, established 2014, that means it's over 20 years. Trading platform MT4, MT5, web trader, CQG, I don't know what is this. You can see their address, support email and their phone number. Regulators, SISEC, their license number, FSA, their license number, FSCA, their license number, FCA, their license number. Prohibited country, United States. That means this broker is not active on United States. Web trading, they have web trading, mobile trading as well. They have hedging option, ES robots allowed, news trading allowed, scalping allowed, managed accounts and social trading, copy trading allowed. You can trade cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum. You can trade CFDs, 60 plus currencies, gold, silver, other metals, stocks, indexes, bonds, oil, other commodities, futures, ETF. There is so many options to trade. Deposit methods, you can see almost all the methods are available here. Withdrawal methods, same as the deposit methods. You can see user ratings. So many users rated them and here they got over 3300 reviews. You can check their Trustpilot as well. Overall rating is 4.1, which is great. Here is over 1000 rating, as it is a 4.1 overall rating, which is a very good. So they are highly regulated ECN broker. Now let's discuss the bonus terms and conditions. I will discuss only the must follow terms and conditions. One client can get this bonus one time. You can't trade with robots or using any expert advisors. You have to trade manually with this no deposit bonus. After registration, you have to verify your KYC to receive this bonus. Existing client cannot apply this bonus. This bonus validity is for 60 days. An additional 40 days will be in your hand to claim the profit you earned from this bonus. Welcome bonus is available in the USD currency. A 30 USD initial complimentary deposit is added automatically to the welcome account. Initial deposit cannot be withdrawn or transferred from the welcome account. This is only tradable balance. A minimum of 30 USD and a maximum of 100 USD profit can be transferred from the welcome account to the client wallet held with TickMill Ltd. Each client can make only request to transfer profit from the welcome account to the client wallet. In order to make a transfer of profit from the welcome account to the wallet, the client must register a client account using the same information provided during the welcome account registration. Name, username, email, date of birth, phone numbers, etc. must be same. Provide the necessary identification documents required to validate the client area account, and after reaching the profit target, which is 30 to 100 USD, you can make up to 100 USD and a 60 days trading period. Then you have to open a live account in your dashboard. After that, you have to deposit a minimum $100 in your live account. Then you will be able to transfer your profit to your live account from the no deposit bonus account. Then you can withdraw the profits immediately or trade it as your trading balance. So those are the main criteria So I would like to suggest you just start with the no deposit bonus, and if you can make $100 profits, only after that you should deposit $100 to withdraw the profits. It will be your benefit because already you made $100 and another $100 you will deposit to active your account. Then you can withdraw $200 immediately. So there is win-win situation. And unfortunately you can get this bonus if you are from those countries. Please check your country. If your country in this list, you can get this bonus. So this is one of the world most regulated and most trusted broker and very good broker, and you are getting $30 no deposit bonus from this. So this will be a great chance and I would love to grab this offer. Only I will deposit if I can make $100 profit. The profit and my deposit will be mine. There is no loss. Win-win situation. If you get this video valuable for you, please like this video and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel for free Forex money, prop farm giveaway and profitable trading setups. Thank you.